Question number 11. Which of the following is an empirical formula? A. C4H10. B. H2OH. C. CH4. D. C2H4. The correct answer is C. CH4. Explanation. CH4, which is methane, is already in its simplest whole number ratio of carbon to hydrogen, which is 1:4. None of the other options are in their simplest form. Question 12. Consider the electrochemical cell Fe solid to Fe2 plus aqueous, Ag2 plus aqueous to Ag solid. Which statement is correct? A. Reduction occurs at the iron electrode. B. The iron electrode functions as an anode. C. Electrons flow from silver electrode to iron electrode. D. Oxidation occurs at the silver electrode. The correct answer is B. Explanation. In a galvanic cell, the anode is where the oxidation happens. Iron is oxidized, so the iron electrode is the anode. 13. The pH of a slightly alkaline solution would likely be A. 2, B. 12, C. 8, D. 7. The correct answer is C. Explanation. A slightly alkaline solution has a pH just above 7. A pH of 8 indicates weak alkalinity. Strong bases have pH closer to 14, and values below 7 are acidic. Question 14. A decrease in temperature results in a decreased reaction rate due to A. Increased collusion frequency. B. Decreased activation energy. C. Increased molecular speed. D. Lower reaction energy. The correct answer is D. Explanation. Lower temperatures results in particles having less energy, making them less likely to overcome the activation energy barriers. Question 15. The percentage purity of sodium hydroxide is 80%. What mass of it is needed to prepare 1.0 mole per dm cubed solution in 1 dm cubed flask? Take sodium hydroxide to be equal to 40.0 grams per mole. A. 100 grams. B. 40.0 grams. C. 50.0 grams. D. 60.0 grams. The correct answer is C. Explanation. Moles is equal to concentration times volume. So moles will be 1.0 mole per dm cubed times 1 dm cubed, which will give you 1.0 moles. Mass is equal to moles times molar mass. So we have moles, 1.0 moles times 40 grams per mole. That will give you 40 grams. 80% of it is pure. So 80% of the overall, which is X, would be equal to the 40 grams. That means if we solve for X will be 50 grams. Question number 16. If densities of H2 and O2 are 0.5 grams per dm cubed and 8.0 grams per dm cubed respectively, the ratio of their rates of diffusion is A. 1:1, B. 16:1, C. 8:1, D. 4:1. The correct answer is D. Explanation. Graham's law, the rate is proportional to 1 divided by the square root of the densities. So the square root of 8.0 divided by 0.5 will give you square root of 16, which is 4. So hydrogen diffuses 4 times faster than oxygen. 17. Which of the following compounds is a bleaching agent? A. Na2CO3, B. AgCl, C. KClO3, D. CaOCl2. The correct answer is D. Explanation. Calcium oxychloride, CaOCl2, is commonly known as bleaching powder and is used in water treatment and sanitation. Question 18. The rate of a reaction depends on the frequency of effective collisions between A. Product particles, B. reactant particles and the vessel, C. reactant and product particles, D. reactant particles. The correct answer is D. Explanation. According to collision theory, chemical reactions occur when reactant particles collide with sufficient energy and proper orientation. Question 19. The substance that causes the reduction of Fe2O3 in the blast furnace is A. CaO, B. CaCO3, C. SiO2, D. CO. The correct answer is D. Explanation. Carbon monoxide, CO, acts as a reducing agent in the blast furnace, converting Fe2O3 to metallic iron. Question 20. In galvanic cells, the metal with a higher reduction potential serves as A. the anode, B. the salt bridge, C. the electrolyte, D. the cathode. The correct answer is D, the cathode. Explanation: the metal with a higher reduction potential gains electrons and is therefore reduced at the cathode.